This is our hotel lobby where all the people chill out just because there's no Wi-Fi in the room. There's Joe. And of course, this is what you see through the hotel window. What? How cool is that? The beach is right there. And this is the biggest hotel I've ever been in. So cool. This is one of the pools in the hotel, and we have another one right next to where we're staying. How cool is that? It's really big, and the other one is huge as well. There's two different hotels, swimming pools in the hotel, and Joe decided to be a bit crazy and go for a dip right now, early in the morning before we go on the camels. It's gonna refresh him a bit. Uh-oh. Ah! Not me. I feel like the water is freezing probably. This is the other side of the pool. That's all the rooms. There he is. And I think I'm just gonna dip my feet, and that's gonna be enough for me. Ah. Going to see the camels now.
Which one is the best now?
Huh?
Which one is the best now?
So we've been upgraded from the nice car to this really old taxis that they have. It is so scary. We don't have a seat belt.
In winter.
We don't have a seat belt.
You sure?
The taxi is old as hell. Oh my god. Camels. There they are.
Hello?
But we got, yeah.
Good morning.
I am on the camel.
On arrière, madame. Voilà.
Oh my god, babe. Yeah. Oh my god. This was my camel. Thank you very much, buddy. Look at this beautiful boy. Look at you. Ah, so nice. Look at his color. Good boy. Good boy. No, don't bite me. Bye. Joe's just chilling in a little tent. It's really hot today. Our cab's here. Hello.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Look at this car. He says it's 20 years old, but I don't know about that.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now we're going to the bird valley, which I tried to do since the very first day we got here, but finally doing it because it just opens at 11. We always had something else to do. Look how pretty. Peacock. They're the best. Hi. You okay? Okay, kitty cat. I don't have food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So cute.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you.